Is your Canon EOS 250d beeping, flashing a red light, and generally acting up, leaving you stumped? That combination of a red warning light and sound issues can be incredibly frustrating, but don't worry. We're here to help diagnose and fix these simultaneous camera problems effectively. First, let's try a simple power cycle. Remove your camera's battery completely. Wait for about 30 seconds, allowing residual power to dissipate, then reinsert it firmly. Next, sound and light issues can sometimes be related to the lens. Carefully remove your lens and inspect both the lens contacts and the camera's lens mount for any dust, debris, or moisture. Use a dry, clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe the contacts. If needed, reattach the lens securely, ensuring it clicks into place. Now, let's check your camera's settings. Power on your camera and navigate through the menu to reset all custom settings to their factory defaults. This can often clear software glitches causing these symptoms. Finally, sometimes the issue might be an internal sensor or shutter problem. If the red light and sound persists after these steps, it's best to consider professional camera repair, as it might indicate a more complex hardware malfunction. By systematically working through these troubleshooting steps, you've significantly increased your chances of identifying and resolving those tricky combined red light and sound issues. Happy shooting!